Welcome back to our one-stop restaurant design channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the redesign of the Russo Pizza Millennium branch in Abu Dhabi. What design details went into this makeover? Make sure to watch it until the end. This restaurant is located in Russo Pizza, a branch inside the Millennium Branched Hotel in Abu Dhabi. The overall layout is well planned with a strong focus on functionality and workflow optimization. In a city like Abu Dhabi, where restaurant space costs are high, the total area of this restaurant is 350 square meters. Every square meter has been carefully designed to maximize profitability, increase table turnover, and improve service efficiency. Overall design style. Looking at the color scheme and materials, the restaurant follows modern minimalist style, incorporating elements from upscale hotel dining space. Black, white, and green wood accents create a balanced and sophisticated atmosphere while maintaining a warm and inviting feel. Marble countertops and the metal decor enhance the overall texture, adding a refined touch to the space. Lighting design features black pendant lights and the concealed LED strips, creating a warm and layered lighting effect that makes the space feel more polished and elegant. This video will be divided into 3 parts, so make sure to follow, like, and save to avoid missing out on a valuable insights. 1. Lounge dessert station, meeting room and cashier area. 2. Indoor and outdoor dining areas. 3. Open kitchen and bar design. Looking at this image, you can tell the restaurant layout is well planned. Right at the entrance is the lounge area, so it's the first thing guests see when they walk in. The space is designed for business professionals, office workers, couples, and tourists. A great support for afternoon tea, a casual chat, or just waiting for someone. There are 4 tables and chairs, keeping it afternoon and open, with enough seating for guests to relax without feeling crowded. Next up is meeting area, with square tables and work great for business meeting, work discussion, or small gatherings. Since it's right next to the lounge, it fits in with the overall vibe while still feeling a bit separate. This setup makes it easy for business professionals to eat and share at the same time, keeping things efficient. It's also a nice spot for friends and to hang out without too many distractions. Right next to the lounge is the dessert station and cashier, making things super convenient. Customers can order here and grab a dessert or drink and head straight to the lounge. No need to wander around. The whole setup keeps the thing smooth and easy. For those in a hurry or getting picked out, this layout makes the order quick and hassle-free, cut down wait times and improve service efficiency. Overall, this layout makes the most of the space while keeping the customer flow smooth. It's designed so that everyone can find the right spot. Next time, we'll dive into indoor and outdoor dining area design and how to make the space feel more comfortable and inviting. See you in the next video. Bye! Welcome back to our one-stop restaurant design channel. Last time, we covered the lounge, dessert station, meeting area, and cashier. Today, let's talk about the indoor and outdoor dining area. Let's get into it. Looking at this layout, the indoor area is well planned. It makes good use of the space while also boosting the look and feel of the restaurant, reinforcing the brand identity. As you walk past the meeting area, you will see the dry engine cabinet, a special unit for aged beef. Is not just about functionality, it also suits the restaurant commitment to high quality ingredients and help attract steak lovers who appreciate premium cuts. Right next to there's a fridge station, making it easy for chefs to grab and handle the aged beef. In the corner, there's a storage cabinet for tableware and napkins, which helps save time and keep service running smoothly. Keep walking, you will see support board, a red research logo, erase props, making it easy for customers to remember the restaurant and strengthening the brand identity. The dining area is well organized, cozy but not crowded. It's set up with table and chair and the booth seating section, which helps save space while keeping the window open for both customers and staff to move around easily. Behind the booth are large windows bring in plenty of the nature light, making the space feel open airy, so it doesn't feel boxed in. This area fits 10 tables set with smooth flow and makes dining comfortable for more guests. Walking out from the dry-edge cabinet, you will step into the outdoor dining area. At the first glance, it might look pretty simple, but details are well thought out, keeping things comfortable and practical and inviting for a great dining experience. First, set up the outdoor area. Custom adjustable sun slider, which is perfect for Abu Dhabi's hot, dry weather. It can be adjusted depending on the sun and temperature, keeping guests comfortable while they dine. The outdoor furniture is custom made with UV resistant UPF tabletops and chairs rated to UPF 30 to 15, so they can handle long hours in the sun without fading or wearing out. The outdoor area can fit up to 8 table sets with a loud layout that keeps the things comfortable and not too crowded, while still meeting different guest needs to make the space feel more lively. Street planters and artificial trees were added, giving it a cozy, inviting vibe. The outdoor swing is a major highlight here. It's not just a spot for guests to relax, but also a great photos that encourage people to take pictures and share, helping boost restaurant appeal. This time, we talk about indoor and outdoor dining area design, covering how to make the most of the space, highlight the brand, and improve the dining experience. Next time, we will dive into the open kitchen and bar design, how to create more interaction and bring a better vibe to the space. Stay tuned. Welcome back to our one-stop restaurant design channel. Last time, we talked about indoor and outdoor dining areas. This is the final video of this case study, and today we're diving into the design of the bar area and open kitchen. As you step inside from the outdoor dining space, you'll find the open kitchen on the left, right across from the booth setting. Here, customers can watch the chef making pizzas up close. The design not only adds an interactive element, but also gives diners a direct view of the fresh ingredients and chef's impressive skills. The visual appeal is the undeniable. Chefs scratching, spinning, and tossing the top dough before it lands perfectly back on the counter. It's like a mini performance combined with the vibrant toppings of melting cheese, the one below from the oven, and the gives irresistible dining experience. Now, let's talk about area. It's more than just a drink station. It's a spot where customers can relax and socialize. The white marble counter paired with the flat metal frame gives a sleek yet layered look. 6 custom-made bar stools stride and balance between style and comfort. Right next to the bar, there's a directly spaced restaurant, making the space more convenient and functional. The overall layout is practical yet atmospheric, rephrasing the brand's identity and ensuring a well-thought-out experience in very detail. One last design detail was maintaining the walls. Some suggestions feature a clever mix of the mirrors and black metal frames, making the space feel more open while adding depth. Thanks to the black framework, the mirrors and glass partition blended seamlessly, almost like a directive wall at the first glance. It's a smart, functional, stylish approach that elevates the dining experience. This pizza place is designed with an open kitchen and a smooth flow, so customers can watch the whole pizza making process. It adds a fun, interactive touch and makes dining more enjoyable. The layout is super clear, showcasing the brand's vibe and making the space even more inviting. Inside, you've got a cozy lounge, a big communal table, indoor and outdoor seating, a bar and a private restaurant, something for everyone. Need help with restaurant design? Hit us up.